Painting projects can be time-consuming, but the right tool can make all the difference. In this video, we are diving into the top 5 budget-friendly cordless paint sprayers 2025, affordable and efficient choices to help you achieve a smooth, professional finish without breaking the bank. Whether you are tackling home renovations, furniture makeovers, or outdoor projects, these cordless sprayers offer power, precision, and convenience. Check out the product links in the description below, and let's get started with the video. At number 5, the Dteztech Cordless Paint Sprayer stands out as a budget-friendly and efficient choice for DIY enthusiasts. Featuring a powerful 200-watt brushless motor, this sprayer delivers a smooth and consistent paint flow at up to 1,600 milliliters per minute. It includes for pure copper nozzles, ranging from 1.0 mm to 3.0 mm, allowing for precise application on various surfaces. Whether you are painting furniture, cars, fences, or interior walls, this versatile tool adapts to your needs. Designed for convenience, it offers a cordless operation compatible with DeWalt 20V Max and 60V Flex lithium-ion batteries, though the battery is not included. With an adjustable spray pattern and distance control, users can easily customize their painting experience for the best results. Safety features like built-in low voltage and overload protection ensure durability and reliability. Compact yet powerful, the Dteztech Cordless Paint Sprayer is a perfect addition to any home renovation or small project toolkit. Taking the 4th spot is the Molbing Cordless Paint Sprayer, a powerful and affordable choice for tackling DIY painting projects with ease. Featuring a high-performance 600-watt pure copper motor, this sprayer operates significantly faster than traditional brushes or rollers, making it ideal for furniture, walls, doors, and even vehicles. It includes a 1,000 milliliter paint container, a gasket, a filter, a funnel, a cleaning needle, and a cleaning brush, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free painting experience. With 6 interchangeable nozzles and 3 adjustable spray patterns, horizontal, vertical, and circular, users can customize their spraying technique to match different surfaces and textures. The cordless design provides ultimate freedom, eliminating the hassle of tangled wires and allowing you to work in areas without power outlets. Equipped with a 2,000 mAh rechargeable battery, it delivers extended runtime to complete large-scale projects without interruptions. Next on our list is the Dteztech 200W Cordless Paint Sprayer, an efficient and budget-friendly option designed for seamless painting experiences. Featuring a 200-watt brushless motor, this sprayer delivers a high airflow of 1,600 milliliters per minute, ensuring smooth and even coverage on various surfaces. Equipped with 4 premium pure copper nozzles, ranging from 1.0 mm to 3.0 mm, it accommodates different spray requirements, making it perfect for furniture, cars, fences, interior walls, garage doors, and more. Its cordless design enhances mobility, allowing users to paint without the hassle of wires. Compatible with all Milwaukee 18V lithium-ion batteries, this sprayer ensures continuous operation without being tethered to a power outlet. The adjustable spray pattern and distance control knobs provide effortless customization, making it accessible for beginners, including kids and women. Durability is a key highlight, with its copper nozzles resisting paint corrosion while extending the lifespan of the sprayer. Taking the 2nd spot is the Crivnhar Cordless Paint Sprayer, a powerful and portable tool designed for effortless painting. Featuring a high-speed 70,000 revolutions per minute brushless motor, this sprayer ensures a smooth and even finish while significantly reducing overspray by up to 50%. Compared to traditional rollers, it saves both time and paint, making it an efficient choice for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. The large 1,200 milliliter paint tank allows for extended use without frequent refills, making it ideal for painting furniture, fences, walls, and more. With its cordless design, users can enjoy unrestricted mobility, eliminating the hassle of power cords. It is perfectly compatible with DeWalt 20V batteries, though the battery and charger are not included. Equipped with 4 durable copper nozzles, ranging from 1.0 mm to 3.0 mm, this sprayer offers multiple spraying options, including horizontal, vertical, and circular patterns. At number 1, the Heinpro Cordless Paint Sprayer stands out as the best budget-friendly option for those seeking professional-grade performance. Designed with a high-efficiency brushless motor, it operates with minimal noise while delivering a powerful and consistent spray. Unlike traditional brushed motors, this advanced design eliminates friction, reducing wear and energy loss, ultimately extending the sprayer's lifespan. Equipped with a large 1,200 milliliter tank, it minimizes the need for frequent refills, allowing for uninterrupted work on large projects. The Heinpro sprayer is compatible with DeWalt 20V Max lithium-ion batteries, offering flexibility for professionals who already own these power sources, though the battery and charger are not included. Featuring 4 precision nozzles, 1.0 mm, 1.5 mm, 2.0 mm, and 3.0 mm, along with 3 adjustable spray patterns, it delivers versatility for painting furniture, walls, fences, and cabinets.